3, 2, 1, go! Ay, okay na. Last week, nagkanto kami sa radio station, tapos nakita namin yung different parts ng isang radio station like microphone, audiophone. So, at ngayong week rin, nag-conduct kami ng mga experiments about some concepts of magnetism.
So, isa na yung induced magnetism. So, yung induced magnetism is pag na-magnetize yung isang magnetic object, it can attract other magnetic
For a short period.
Tapos next naman po yung magnetism by stroking, kung saan yung isang magnet, isa-stroke mo yung ng magnetic object, tapos magiging magnetized.
So ayun, magre-record sana kami ng vlog kasama ng mga kaupod ko. Kaso, ihuga ka na naman.
Nakay mo rin ka? Gusto ko yun. Saan ka makadya?
Oy, nagagad siya. Adriano.
Sino? Ningal.
Activity 4. Ay, nagabot kong paano.
So before tayo pumunta sa induced magnetism and magnetism by stroking, discuss muna natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng magnetism. So to put it simply, magnetism is when there's attraction or repulsion ng isang magnetic material dahil sa arrangement ng kanyang atoms or electrons. So lahat naman ng objects ay mayroong electrons, at habang nag-move ang electrons ito at habang nag-spin sila, nag-generate sila ng magnetic field. At kung gaano kalakas ang magnetic field na to, tawag dyan is magnetic moment. So sa isang magnetic material, may tinatawag tayong mga domains. Yung domains, yun yung group of atoms na nag-point sa isang direction. Sa unmagnetized magnetic material, yung mga domains, kalat-kalat lang sila. Pero pag naging magnetized na sila, yan, lahat ng domain sila mag-point sa isang direction. So, nagkakaroon siya ng North Pole and South Pole. Meron tayong two general properties ng magnets. Lahat sila ay dipole, ibig sabihin meron silang North and South Pole. And the second property naman is like poles repel and unlike poles attract. So, pag North-North, mag-repel sila, pero North-South, mag-attract ng dalawang magnet. So yung magnets, they come in three types. Meron tayong natural magnets, you have the temporary magnets, and you have the permanent magnets. Yung natural magnets, they have naturally occurring magnetic properties. For example, yung lodestone or magnetite. Temporary magnets naman, very easy to magnetize, pero madali silang mawala ng magnetism. For example, you have soft iron. And the last po, we have the permanent magnet. Hard siya ma-magnetize, pero hindi kagad-agad nawawala yung magnetism niya. For example, yung alnico, aluminum, nickel, and cobalt. So since lahat ng materials mayroong atoms and electrons, lahat sila mayroon din magnetic field. Pero, hindi lahat nag-react sa magnetic field in the same way. For example, we have diamagnetism. In diamagnetic materials, when you put a magnet near a diamagnetic material, it experiences a very strong repelling force. For example, we have bismuth, lead, copper, and zinc. We also have paramagnetism. When you bring a magnet to a paramagnetic material, mayroong very feeble attractive force, meaning mayroong magnetic force, kaso konti lang. For example, we have platinum, aluminum, and copper sulfate. So last is ferromagnetism. When you bring a ferromagnetic material to a magnet, the ferromagnetic material experiences a very strong magnetic force. For example, we have iron, cobalt, nickel, manganese, and arsenic.
So ngayon, punta naman tayo sa tinatawag natin na induced magnetism. Sa induced magnetism, ito yung process kung saan ang isang magnetic material ay nagiging magnetized dahil sa contact niya with a permanent magnet. So, dyan, yung tatlong nails ay na-attract sa first nail kasi yung first nail naging temporary magnet siya. That's called induced magnetism. So nakita nyo na gamit lang ng 3 nails at isang magnet, naka-attract siya ng napakaraming nails kasi yung 3 nails naging temporary magnet. That is induced magnetism. So sa induced magnetism, mapaprove mo na yung object naging magnet kasi pag tinanggal mo yun sa magnet, kaya nang ma-attract yung iba pang objects but only for a short period of time.
So next method is by magnetism by stroking. So in this method, you magnetize a magnetic material through the use of stroking a magnet. So you can do this by stroking with one magnet or stroking with 2 magnets. With one magnet, you just stroke it in one direction until it becomes magnetized. With 2 magnets, you start from the middle and you stroke it in opposite directions until both ends have opposite poles.
So para ma-determine kung isang object is magnetized or hindi, pwede ka magamit ng magnetic compass. Tapos kung na-affect ng object yung orientation niya, magnetized yun. So yun yung i-demonstrate ngayon ni Bian Rosel.
Wala nangyari. Tama na, board.
Now besides stroking with a magnet to make a material magnetized, you can also use electricity to make a magnetic material magnetized. Now to do this, you have to put a metal bar for a solenoid wire, and eventually the current passing through the wire will eventually create a magnetic field within that metal bar, making it magnetized.
And that's all for this vlog, guys. Hopefully na-learn ninyo tungkol sa induced magnetism and magnetism by stroking. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all later.